Say I'm very difficult, one by one it's getting criminal. You should see the place I'm living now. You can find the faucet I'm giving up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin, and in today's video we're going to be cooking barbacoa. I've never made this before, but it sounded so good. Found a recipe online and I'm going to be linking that in the description down below, so let's get started. In this video we're going to be using chuck roast I picked up at Kroger, apple cider vinegar, beef broth, cilantro, chilies and adobe, ground cumin, leaf oregano, bay leaf, salt, pepper, onion, and garlic. Okay, so for this we're gonna need 1 teaspoon of oregano, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of pepper. Let's get that a good mix. Next, you want to get the chilies out of the adobe sauce and, definitely make a mess as you're doing it. So these are a lot more cut up already than I thought they were going to be, so I'm just going to go ahead and dump them into the blender and not have to worry about cutting them. It says to use about like 3 or 4, but since they're cut up, I'm not really sure. So I'm just gonna add, half the can because we like spice. And so it does have a really, really good kick. I use majority of the can. I'm gonna leave it just like this and not add too much spice because we are gonna be adding some lime juice to this. So it'll cool it down a little bit. So then to this we're going to be adding the beef broth, and we're going to be using a half a cup of beef broth. Just put the lid on that and then we'll blend it all together. Okay, so you're gonna add the whole chuck roast to the crock pot. The seasonings on top and just kind of coat that into the chuck roast. Flip it on both sides. Add the garlic and onion. Mix that around. You're gonna pour 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And it says to use a whole lime, but I do not have a whole lime, so I'm just gonna do lime juice, and then the adobe sauce on top. The 3 bay leaves. Okay, I dropped too many in, but it should be okay. Cover the lid, and we are going to be cooking this on high for 4 to 6 hours. And we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so the meat has been in here for about 5 hours or so. About 7 o'clock I turned it on medium. So it's been on medium for about an hour. Looks like it is shredding up nice. Everything looks cooked. So you just want to make sure you get the leaves out. And then we'll shred up that meat and get it ready to serve. We just did a self-serve taco night with some sour cream, cilantro, and cheese. This was so good. The spice level was right on. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so you can see more upcoming videos just like this.